AWS CIDR block non-hours overlapping with other subnets in the VPC. Description: CIDR block used by non-AWS services within a VPC, ensuring it doesn't overlap with any other subnets in the same VPC or with AWS services. Prerequisites: a VPC has been created. At least one subnet has been created within the VPC. Use cases: isolate non-AWS services from AWS resources, enhancing security and preventing potential conflicts. Prevent IP address collisions with AWS services and resources deployed within the same VPC. Step-by-step implementation of general use cases. Define a non-AWS CIDR block that is not already in use within the VPC or by any AWS services. This should be a valid CIDR block that is within the overall VPC range. Create a subnet within the VPC, assigning it the previously defined non-AWS CIDR block. Challenges and fixes. Overlapping CIDR with AWS services. Choose a different non-AWS CIDR block that doesn't overlap with any AWS service ranges. Refer to the AWS documentation for a list of common AWS service CIDR blocks. Overlapping CIDR with other VPCs. Choose a different non-AWS CIDR block that doesn't overlap with any other VPCs in your account or region. Consider using a different VPC for your non-AWS services. Insufficient IP address space within the chosen non-AWS CIDR. Choose a larger non-AWS CIDR block to accommodate your needs. Use multiple subnets within the VPC, each with its own non-overlapping CIDR block, to distribute IP addresses efficiently.